spent a lot of time rebranding our company and revisiting who we were and who we wanted to be and where our aspirations are. And the word societal meant a lot to us. The name really embraces that. And quite frankly, the mark that we have, the arc of dots, is demonstrative to me of us being part of a bigger system.
For me, bringing science to society is really a collaborative effort with our partners, to bring new drugs to the market faster and really have that patient impact and change in patients' lives.
To be able to get a product early on in its life cycle, help to develop that product, and ultimately either get it into a clinic and help patients, or hopefully the goal, something that patients take to enhance their lives. To me, that's bringing science to society.
People want to work for a cause and for a mission. And so bringing science to society, I think, really helps embody that and helps people see what we are doing as an organization for the greater good.
Bringing science to society means pretty much exactly what we're talking about. We work with our clients to bring their new molecules to the patients.
It's an honor, it's a privilege to work in the biopharmaceutical industry. We get to help people. We're just a small part of the solution in helping people live longer, healthier lives.
I think in our industry, one of the things that people miss about the science, they get caught up on what's the science, what's the equipment, what are the cool technologies, and really success comes down to doing the right things every day.
So we have a client, they were having some challenges getting product actually into the country.
We got that approved in a very difficult political environment at the time. It was coming into the opioid epidemic, so there was a lot of attention on it.
And we had to make this product real quickly because there were patients that, were cancer patients.
But we made a good product and we got it approved.
To be able to help that client and then ultimately help those patients. That's, a pretty good story from my point of view.
So I'm really proud of the amount of effort and the ingenuity that went into doing that.
We have a very transparent, a very communicative and respectful culture. That's something that we work on every day.
Some of the attributes that describe the societal employee are responsiveness, listening, caring,
dedication and passion and commitment.
Collaboration, our communication, teamwork, accountability. And I think through all of that, we're really able to help bring our patients drugs to life.
We consider the relationships that we have with our clients as true partnerships.
We're the only folks that are going to be working on this project. We don't have 10 different sites across the world. It's us. It's the people here that I talked about. And to me, that's a huge differentiator. And we hear that from our customers.
And so those relationships are deeper, they're more meaningful, they're more sustained, and it provides for a much better relationship and allows us to be a real partner.
We are here to help the community, the larger community. We want to help people live healthier, longer lives.
To allow our people to participate in helping people who are encountering all sorts of different diseases, and to be able to know that we're helping them every day is the most exciting part for me.